This 2018 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton Series 27 RESWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.